Hi everyone, it's great to see you again. I've taken a little bit of time off of videos, so thanks for hanging in there with me on YouTube in particular. Thank you so much for all the new subscribers. It's great to see you. The ones of you that I can see, I go into your page, look at your subscriptions, and I can tell you there are some knowledge seekers out there. I love knowledge. Thank you for the resources. I have learned about so many new channels that I am loving based on you following me. So it's a great network. Second, I have been writing a ton. This is kind of where I've been focused on, the last month and a half. I've been traveling with my kids, but also writing a lot. Publishing is huge for somebody like me who is in academia. I am a speech coach, of course, a speech language pathologist. So yeah, academic, sharing knowledge, imparting information so that we can grow and change really together, okay? So check out my new articles page on my website, speechcoachlaura.com/articles. This is my new concept this year. Happy New Year, by the way. I feel like it's a new year anyway. DIY your communication confidence. There is a lot of free content that I'm putting out within the space of an article. It's really hard to address these on video. I do my best, but my private coaching sessions are 90 minutes long, all right? It is impossible to conduct that type of experience really in any means besides private coaching and in text in an article. So check those out. There's a lot of suggestions and recommendations about common issues that we all experience, even myself, in situations where we might be nervous or anxious to speak. All right. So that's a really good one, and more publishing to come in other areas. In fact, I want to go ahead and share this for any aspiring writers or just people who are trying to kind of get going again on writing. Shut Up and Write. This is a meetup that I found, and it does actually have a group, it seems like, in most cities. So anyway, I've joined this group called a meetup called Shut Up and Write, and it's once a week, and it has really perpetuated my interest in just continuing to disseminate information and the expertise at what I do, which is so needed. Conquering speaking fear. You don't have to struggle with this. You don't. It can happen. You can conquer these situations where you are nervous and anxious to speak. I do it all the time with people, and I can do it with you as well. Just depends on the capacity that you want to work with me in, whether it's reading my information, whether it's free consults, whether it's, actually engaging in private coaching, whatever it is, I'm here for you. All right. So thanks for hanging on. Look forward to more engagement as we move on. And getting back into the videos is kind of like me kind of sort of cranking up my own agenda as well. Getting my topics out. It's always helpful if you put anything in the comments about what you might want to hear about. I would love to chat about what your concerns are and share that information with everybody, because I'm certain that somebody else out there is struggling with what you're struggling with right now. All right, everyone. See you in the next video. Take care.